So right behind me is a villa that we're gonna do a comprehensive walkthrough on. It just came on the market this weekend. It's in the Cove subdivision of Platte County in Kansas City, Missouri. So if a villa is something you guys have been considering purchasing, then we've got you covered. So stick with us to the end because we're gonna do a complete walkthrough, talk about the pros, the cons, everything this thing has to offer. So it's definitely something you don't wanna miss. So let's get into it. So if this is the first time to your channel, please click like and subscribe. Tap the bell icon for notifications so you'll be the first to know when we add new videos to the channel. If you're a return subscriber, well, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. If there's other types of properties you want to look at, you want us to do a comprehensive review with pictures and videos and everything else, well, let us know down in the comments below, and we'll do everything we can to cater to you guys' wants and needs. My name is Fernando Marquez, and this is my channel, Living and Investing in Kansas City. I've been a licensed real estate agent with United Real Estate Kansas City for 5 years and a real estate investor for over 8 years. So we get information from folks all the time about relocating to Kansas City, looking for first-time buyers, looking for their forever home, upgrading, downgrading, looking for land for their forever home, or even better yet, looking for investment properties. So we've been investors for over 8 years. We've done wholesaling, fix and flip, we add rentals, just about everything under the sun for investing. We have some experience in it, and this is something we can share with you guys in your real estate journey. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. Send us an email, text, a phone call, or better yet, set up a Zoom call because it's a lot quicker and easier for us to meet and share information. Para mi comunidad hispana, no duden en comunicarse con nosotros. Cualquier pregunta que ustedes tengan en cuestiones de comprando casa, vendiendo casa o buscando casas para inversión. All right, folks, so this is the villa in question. Let's go ahead and just walk around the property so you guys see what it is. And I'll talk a little bit about it and we'll go from there. So obviously it's a 2-car garage, newer garage doors. You can see newer lights. The roof, as you can see, nothing's curling up, looks in good shape. Gutters are good. The exterior siding, it's a vertical instead of horizontal, very nice. This is one of 2 decks that the property has. Okay, we can see that it was probably painted not too long ago. It doesn't look bad. The colors seem to match up. Decent landscaping. This is the back side. Now it looks like it has a newer deck, and that deck is going to expand 2 of the bedrooms upstairs. And then there's the walkout from the basement. Now, let me look around here. There's a retaining wall on the opposite side, on the back side of the house. We'll check that out. So here's your view in the backyard. Because this is an HOA community, there's no fences allowed anywhere. It makes everything look that much bigger. So this is literally to the left of the entrance. Let me see, you can see up top those skylights over there. That's going to add tons of natural light into the living room area. You can see you got a fireplace because of the big chimney stack. All right, so let's walk around the other side. So this is the side of the entrance. This side, so you've got a front patio that we'll see in a second, and you got a privacy fence around it. Here's the property from the back side. There's that AC looks like it's probably a 4 to 5 ton unit. The roof is newer. No tiles that are curling. Gutters look fine. The fence could use a little bit of love. Seems to have some age on it. So let's go ahead and go inside the property. You can see the patio area needs to probably be redone just because it probably got done a long time ago. It seems a little uneven. There's a sliding glass door that comes out of one of the bedrooms. We'll see that here in a second. So this is the front entrance to the property. The nice thing about this is you've got this big front patio, and there's a lot of privacy. Here's going to be the front entrance to the property. Let's go in. This door over to the left goes into the garage. So here is the entrance. All right, so these two doors to the right is going to be the pantry for the kitchen, and then hallway closets. All right, so here's the kitchen. Nice solid wood cabinets. You have a mix of stainless steel appliances and black. Right, you can see that the cabinets, the original color, light color. You have a Formica countertop, stainless steel sink, and ceramic tile backsplash. Here is your dining area. It's a decent size. It's a little on the small side, but it'll work. You can see you've got a lot of natural light with those windows coming in off of the first deck. Now we're coming into the living room area, which is quite large. You can see it has got a nice pitch on that ceiling. It's kind of a contemporary roof pitch. Okay, this is coming into it from the kitchen area. There's the stairs going downstairs. Look at these very high ceilings. I bet those ceilings are probably 12 to 15 feet, somewhere around there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bedrooms first, and then we'll take a look at the outside deck. So this is coming in. We've got right here, it's the hallway closet, pretty normal. Over here is bedroom number 1. This is the bedroom that you saw with the sliding glass doors. You can see looking out, that's the patio we were at. And as you see that window right there, it gets a lot of sunshine. So the people that lived here before, they put they tinted that window. So those blots there are because of the tinting. It's not because the glass is broken or anything like that. This bedroom here has 2 closets, one there and one there. Now we are going to go into bathroom number 1. So you can see these are original cabinets and they replaced the countertops. Here's the water closet. Here is the shower, okay? The shower looks to be original as well as the towel work. Now this is what they call a Jack and Jill bathroom, because now here's the other water closet, and then we go into the next bedroom. And then this bedroom has its own vanity as well. Same vanity as before, so they maintain, the same fixtures in there. And here is bedroom number 2. And then right here obviously is the closet. You close this down. So this bedroom's a little bit bigger, you can tell. This bedroom also has a slider that goes out to the back deck. There's the closet. Now, as we walk out, we are going to be walking out into the main living room where we were at earlier. There's the fireplace, there's the kitchen, the entryway, and look at all that natural light coming in. And it's about 7 p.m. in the evening. So in the middle of the day, you've got a lot of light coming in from there. Now let's take a look at the back deck. So this is facing the front of the property where we were walking around before. Lawn maintenance, they do a very good job over here. We'll talk about that later. Now this deck spans to the other bedroom where we were just looking out of. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other deck. So this is the deck that's right off of the living room and off of the kitchen that faces the front of the property. All right, so here's the deck right off of the kitchen. The dining room's right here, right, to the front of the property. A decent sized deck. Just throw a little table and chairs, enjoy coffee in the morning. So I just keep harping on the high ceilings over here, just in the natural light coming in, those skylights. It just makes everything look so much better. You've got this massive wall right here. That'd be an accent wall. Look at these 2 walls over here. I mean, there's tons of stuff you can do. Nowadays, you see them doing a lot of accent walls. You're putting 1x4s and making a pattern. Look at this up here. Same with this wall. So there's a lot of decorating that can be done here to really make this place pop. So let's go ahead and make our way downstairs. Okay, so first thing I notice when I come in, it's got all new flooring. It looks like either vinyl, it's obviously vinyl planking, or it's going to be vinyl flooring that's glued down. Okay, so now we're downstairs. Let's go ahead and just walk out. Oh, we don't need to walk, we've seen the outside earlier. So this is the slider that goes out to the back. So this down here would be another living area. There's the fireplace for that. I'm just backing up into the corner. And over here, here's the mechanical room. It's not a high efficiency furnace, but it looks like it's a newer one. I'd have to look at the actual numbers on it to tell the date, but that's a newer hot water heater. And then you can tell at one point or the other, they had some foundation issues. You had water coming in. So something to look for is when you ever come into a property and you see this white plastic that's up against the walls, that was done at the same time. You see that newer concrete? Okay, that is drain tile. So they ended up breaking up the concrete down to the dirt, ended up putting rock and then some piping, and so then all the water that would seep in through the walls ends up coming through all the piping, comes through all the perimeter and comes around and goes into that big rectangular area right there. So that right there is a sump pump. There are the backup pumps. It's got two, and then goes underneath, and that white PVC pipe, it pumps it out and up through the backyard. So that's been mitigated, and I know that company, they do very good work. They're very reputable. So now we've got a dry basement for sure. So, and then right here's where your washer and dryer is gonna go. Okay, and obviously looking at everything over here, there is a ton of space and storage. One of the benefits of having a real estate agent that's also an investor, he can spot all these things that are very important to know. And I'm not saying that all the agents or any agents don't know that, but I guarantee you that any investor that's also an agent does. All right, let's take a look at the third bedroom down here. All right, this is a decent size. There is your closet. Okay, so there is your vanity, which is the same as the one upstairs. And you have your shower right there. So this is an ensuite. Okay, so let's run upstairs and let's recap, talk about the numbers and go from there. All right, folks, so that concludes the complete walkthrough of this villa. Now let's get into what everybody really wants to know, which is the description and the numbers. Okay, so this property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot villa. Okay, and that includes the square footage upstairs and downstairs. It's priced at $260,000, and it has a monthly maintenance of $260 a month. Now that monthly maintenance covers your lawn care, it covers snow removal. There also has a play area for the kids, a pool, a clubhouse, and a couple other amenities. So it's really a good value for what you get, okay? So one of the big things is the pros and cons of living in a villa. So let's talk about the pros. The pros is that you basically have a community, okay? Very much like an HOA, but also it's maintenance provided. So those are really good things to have. So the cons are that it is an HOA. A lot of people don't like HOAs because they don't want to be told what they can or cannot do when it comes to their own property. So this being an HOA has covenant and restrictions, and those covenants and restrictions will dictate to you what you can do on the exterior, what you can't do. So a lot of times if you want to do something that's not in there, you have to go before the board, explain it, what you want to do, and as a board, they'll decide whether you can or cannot do it. So that's a big downside. The other downside is that people don't like paying it a monthly amount. Maybe folks that come in here or decide to move into a villa, they don't really care about all the other amenities like a pool, a clubhouse, the play area, trails, things like that. That might not be something that they want. So that's a downside. But overall, I think this is a really good alternative to getting like a single family house in a non-HOA community because it's priced right, it's got a lot of amenities. There's a lot that you can do, particularly if you have a growing family, because the pool and the clubhouse and the play area is really just down the street. So I think this is a really good alternative to a single family house. So if this is something you guys are interested in, definitely reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to show you this property or any other villas in the Metro Kansas City area. And don't forget, we do business in Kansas as well. So we're not just limited to Missouri. So definitely reach out to us. Let us know what you're looking for, what you need, and definitely what you want, and we can make it happen for you. Thank you very much, and God bless.